Hi guys, here we are again with a very exciting project from the Admire Studios. This is the Orange 3D animation spot.
It's one of the few projects we have worked on, and we're really happy to share with you how we actually pulled it off. To kickstart the project, we got the brief from the agency that outlined the storyboard of the TVC, how they wanted the different elements of the art to progress. We had a few discussions regarding some aspects of the storyboard, particularly the space shuttle. Initially it was a space shuttle, but then we convinced them to change it to a jet because the shuttle was looking bulky and heavy on screen, and a jet would look much faster. Because we really had a tight schedule to actually pull off this project, one of the ways that we got all the teams involved in a pretty robust way was when you finish something that you can pass on to the next department, you do it there and then. So when we finished the animatic, I remember us passing on to that animatic to the sound department so that they could start getting a feel of what the soundscape needed to be. Doing the animating to a point where it was detailed helped us buy some time, because we're not doing the whole animation again. We take out the model we had done in the animatic, which was low res, and we replace it with a higher res model. Then from there we did the texturing. Of course, we were limited in terms of the color palette, and so it's good to be limited as an artist to just orange, black and white. We then rendered the object using Cinema 4D's scanline renderer. We set up actually a network system to get all the systems in the premise working. We rendered over 4 days. After we finished the rendering, we passed them to the compositing team. The color grading and the finishing was all done in After Effects.
We had a bit of sleepless nights, which always happens with every job that is required, in a very short amount of time or turnaround time. So it was very exciting for us. When we pieced the whole thing together, it was a masterpiece, and I remember literally the first time we watched it with a client, they just sat back and said, brilliant.
I'm really proud of what we have been able to achieve on this spot. The process we have undertaken, the pipeline, the challenges, the things we have learned.
As Admire, we keep pushing ourselves, pushing the boundaries, and we always look forward to jobs like these that challenge us to learn more and work more as a team.
We are building an arsenal of artists who can tackle these and even more complex projects.